On October 15, 2024, F500 encapsulator agent was put to the ultimate test. The 2020 Hyundai Kona Electric used contained 10 battery packs at 100% charge. Fire suppression was applied by an underbody water spraying system supplied by an outdoor hydrant. An F500 EA solution proved to absorb thermal energy 10 times faster than plain water or foam. This test took place at the Kona S-accredited Fire Insurers Laboratory of Korea. At 1420, it's time to demonstrate the effectiveness of F500 EA. Once an incipient fire forms, it'll be allowed to pre-burn for 7 to 10 minutes. Then, fire suppression will begin. First, we heat the battery with a torch to induce thermal runaway. Because the lithium-ion battery is located under the body, a flame is applied from below. Now, there's nothing to do but wait. As heat builds up, toxic fumes begin to fill the test environment. "11.5 minutes in, we see initial venting and the first thermal runaway from the battery. Then, full-blown flames. With the removal of the gas torch, the fire's left to burn for up to 10 minutes, simulating a fire brigade's projected arrival time. "13 minutes into the test, and the fire has spread to the hood, rapidly engulfing the entire front end of the vehicle. Smoke starts to build as the seconds tick by. And as the battery continues to burn, the risk of additional explosions only increases. soon, interior areas succumb to flames, which are now rapidly spreading to the passenger seats. Over 18 minutes into the test, the entire interior of the vehicle is engulfed. 1 minute later, a second thermal runaway occurs. Seven minutes after the blaze's onset, the fire brigade's arrival signals the start of fire suppression. Beginning with the activation of the underbody spraying system, and quickly followed by a discharge of 3% solution of F500EA. To meet the unique challenges of battery fires, F500 encapsulator agent tackles three distinct risks: flammability, explosivity, and toxicity. Unlike traditional foams, encapsulator agents work on a molecular level. As off-gas is expelled from the front end and flames emerge, F500EA quickly targets the origin of the fire. Already, high-temperature flames present on the interior and exterior of the vehicle are suppressed. Hazard Control Technology's next-generation fire suppression system affords a level of protection backed by over 15 years of independent, scientific testing. Just 8.5 minutes after the 3% solution of F500EA was discharged, fire suppression is complete.
This kind of fires is very hard to extinguish because it's the hazard of the explosion, the fluorine, hydrogen is very poison for the firefighter, for the people. The idea with this technology is how we can extinguish this faster than other agents and how we can protect the firefighter with less water. This additive work in the molecular level that you can encapsulate the toxin of the smoke. This is why you convert the black smoke in the white, like it's an steam, that you can prevent all this hydrogen explosion, all this toxicity that the people can breathe in the fire or the firefighter can breathe, and you decrease the toxicity of the smoke almost 98%. You prevent all these gases in the middle of the atmosphere, plus all these toxins and cancerogenic agents to prevent the cancer in the firefighters. Europe, in South Africa, Australia start to use in USA the factory of Tesla car. They are using in the charge station, and more we test this, more we start to use in the real world. We start to use less water, less time, and we can protect more our people.